क्या हालचाल अमित सौरभ हाउ आर यू।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। सब ठीक है सर। सब ठीक
कई
है।
दिनों बाद दिखे हो तुम लोग भी हैं।
यस सर।
क्या चल रहा है।
बस चल रहा है सर, जो आप दिए हैं बस उसी का पे काम चल रहा है। वीडियोस देख।
सही है। So other than Amit, we will starting in 2-3 minutes. We are waiting for others to join.
ओके ओके।
Good morning, sir.
क्या हालचाल। So we will be starting in 2-3 minutes more till the time are joining. So till the time anyone has their any specific question they can ask कि okay what is their expectation and what is their question. सो आपके जो भी क्वेश्चन है वो आप पूछ सकते हो स्टार्टिंग में भी, ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि कंप्लीट होने के बाद ही पूछोगे। स्टार्टिंग से पहले जब तक ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं सब लोग आप पूछ सकते हो क्वेश्चंस।
Sir, can you speak in English?
या अभी आई विल स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, डोंट वरी, आई विल बी डूइंग इट इन बोथ लैंग्वेजेस बेसिकली। Yeah, but the today we are dividing it into two parts. One is front end, where Rahul sir will take care of front end part. But yeah, front end part will be into Hindi, mainly in Hindi. He'll try to do into both languages. But yeah, so after that, after 40-45 minutes, we will be shifting from front end to back end. Back end be majorly into Java. So today we are going to divide that 2 hours into two parts, and back end. So yeah, we are trying to complete that till 1 o'clock. So yeah, matlab, I few glitches into languages where audience is into divided into both in Hindi and English. So yeah, we will try to do cover both, no issues.
Sir, any internships in
Internship in
Java language?
yeah, we are so I'll show you. I'll start the basic internship questions first of all. So I hope screen is visible to everyone.
No, sir.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. So as many of you know us from last 6 months or 7-8 months, we have decided to go for the internship this time. So in internship we are targeting okay, let's give them the more experience regarding their live experience, how to create application, what kind of features need to be included, and how to create those features into internship. So in internship, as you many of you know, we normally provide our recorded classes free of cost to everyone. But yeah, as an internship is live, this will be the cost structure of the internship. For 2 months, there will be 999. So in 999, you can choose even backend, Java, Python, or front end web development. So you can choose any of them. But if you are for the Java full stack where you need front end and back end, it will be around 1500. So this will be the basic cost structure. and I have sent this PDF to everyone. The internship mode, where after paying within 24 hours we will release your offer letter also, and after completion of your internship you will get the certificate of course and experience letter also. So there will be two things that you will get, uh, you know offer letter, internship certificate, and letter of recommendation, that that is we are going to provide you. So this is how we are going to operate this internship right now. Yeah. So this is the idea about internship. So any one of you having question regarding this internship, you can ask. Otherwise, we will start the front end part, then back end part.
Sir, you will explain any course or you will go give only internship?
Pardon?
You will explain this course or you will give only internship?
It will be kind of both, right? So we will try to train you on course also, but if internship you don't know anything, then it will be majorly course, right? So there are students who are saying, "Ki, okay, sir, I don't know anything. I have, I am doing it for learning only. Matlab, project is not important, internship is not important." Then we will try to provide them the basic learning, the whole proper course, right? But a guy who is saying, "Ki, okay, sir, I know something and I want to, test out my skills," then we will provide them the internship. So as we already chose around 7 8 people to work with us as an internship to develop few applications. So yeah, you can do both according to your skill set and according to your requirement.
Sorry, can you share sample certificate, sir?
Pardon?
Sample certificate.
Sample certificate, I'll show you over here. Certificate or experience?
Certificate.
Certificate, I'll show you. So we are changing our certificate from this to this. Where is the certificate? Yeah. So this will be the sample certificate. How it will look like certification, right?
Yes, sir.
And internship, you can get these certificate. Certificate doesn't matter. I don't think so. Certificate is important rather than your learning and your what to say life skills basically. So these days, because after 2020, when a lot of online, what to say, online educator came in, there are a lot of certificates and a lot of people know how to create a lot of certificates. I go on LinkedIn and I see a lot of people having a lot of certification on their LinkedIn, but it doesn't matter in long term. Certificate is helps you to gives you the confidence. But yeah, when you go into the interview and you start your job, it is more about your skill set that helps you, not the certificate. Yeah.
Sir, when the
So
batch is starting, sir?
we are starting one from 6th tomorrow, and every 10 to 15 days we'll start another batch. So yeah, that's our plan. Right. So let's hold your questions for a while now. Let's start our how much you can learn into this, and what kind of learning you will get. So over to you, Rahul. You can start your front end. You know,
Yeah, thank you, sir.
yeah.
Hi, guys. My name is Rahul.